In this video, we'll walk you through updating your SmartFlow system's firmware. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and avoid errors or data loss. First, we need to export your jobs and settings to a USB-A flash drive. This step is critical to prevent errors and avoid losing your jobs entirely. Open the door and insert the USB drive into the USB-A port on the upper right of the main board. From the main menu, open Settings. Then tap on Import/Export. Go ahead and choose Export All Jobs and select the green check marks to confirm. After that, do the same with Export All Settings. That way, we've got everything backed up and saved before we start the update. Next, open the door. Remove the USB and plug it into your computer. You will find your settings and jobs files we backed up on the USB. Copy the hex firmware file we provided directly to the root of the drive, not hidden in a folder. Now power down the SmartFlow. With the system off, insert the USB drive into the port and power the system back on. The system will automatically begin updating. You'll hear the alarm relay clicking about twice per second. Once the clicking stops, the update is complete and the system will boot into the new firmware. This process should take less than a minute. Once the system has finished booting, confirm that your firmware has been updated. Go to Settings, then System. Under Firmware, it will display the updated firmware version. With the firmware confirmed, remove the USB from your SmartFlow. Next, plug the USB drive back into your computer and remove the firmware file from the root. You can place it into a folder to keep a record, but it cannot stay in the root. If it does, the SmartFlow will try to reload the firmware every time you insert the drive. Load your output and software option text files onto the USB. We provide these files, and they're specific to your system's MAC address. If your system is newer than 2023, they'll already be on your included USB. If not, or if you've added outputs or software since your purchase, reach out to us and we'll send you the corresponding files. Insert the USB containing your output and software option files back into the SmartFlow. Then close the door. From the home screen, go to Settings, then System, and press Enable Software. This unlocks your outputs and any software options. If you have options, toggle them from off to on. Now, let's restore your settings. Go to Settings and select Import/Export. Then press Import All Settings and select the green check marks to confirm. We recommend doing this before importing jobs, so the data is transferred correctly. Finally, press Import All Jobs to bring your saved jobs back onto the system. Select the green check marks to confirm. If you didn't back them up, you'll need to recreate them manually. To confirm the jobs imported, press the back button. Then select your jobs list to review what's loaded. And that's it. Your SmartFlow is now updated to the latest firmware, with your outputs, software options, jobs, and settings restored. If you run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Unist. We're here to help.